All right, here we are. This is day 2 of creating this website for my client called, well, his name's Gabriel, but the website's called Gabriel Gringo Talk. And well, the idea for this website is to provide a way for students to learn surrounded by, the culture of gringos like myself. Wasn't my idea, but you know what? I'm willing to help this customer of mine bring his idea to life. So yesterday we're having a little bit trouble with the header here, just a little bit. I got it under control today. There was a little bit of jump where we are from yesterday to today, just because I was working on it, and I kind of had to do it off camera because it took just a little bit of time and thinking, and I guess silence, instead of me trying to talk to myself like right now, talk to you. What did I do to fix it? Let's look at the header section. Did I just pass it? It's up here. Header. I created I know, I remember when I did the nav bar. I was asking ChatGPT how to do this. Basically, I'm like, hey, I got a section for the nav bar. How do I create? Oh, that was somebody in TeamSpeak said contact lost. Who was that? Oh, it was Amanda. Oh well, that would have just been distracting. Anyways, I was trying to say, like, okay, I have a nav bar. How do I make the button stay to the bottom, right? Because the issue was there was like a gap in between, and these buttons were trying to stay towards the middle, and I wanted them at the bottom. So their idea is to position it. Sorry, I just got another message. I should probably turn down my volumes. Let me turn that down. Okay, so my issue was that you got your nav bar with the logo here, and it tells me, okay, to position it like basically right below it. So what that shows is a position of absolute with the bottom of 0, meaning it's going to be right at the bottom. It's going to align the top of this section here, the part that's called the nav bar. It's going to align it to the very, very bottom of the other one. And that's what we have here. If we use this clicker, we can actually see this is the nav. Oh wait, that's the nav list. That's the nav bar. That's the whole header. Well, together, maybe if I go through here, let's see what the nav bar is. Okay, see, that's where the nav bar is. And then the header is the whole thing, but let's see if we do like the bottom of 10. Let's see what that looks like. Bottom -10. How about let's try that. Okay, I can't even do what I'm thinking in my head. But essentially it lined it up, which is good. I'm still going to do a little bit of improvement on this area. It's not exactly what I want. It's just gray and flat. I'll come back to that later. But the other thing I did add was snap scrolling. So when I scroll just one scroll, it snaps. Or if we simulate on an iPhone, you click and drag essentially. So you just click and drag like this. That's like simulating somebody, taking their finger and pushing up. So if they don't push up enough, it doesn't scroll to the next part, which is a little bit annoying. I have to test it out on my phone to see how annoying that is, or if it actually works really well. Because trying to use a mouse doesn't really give it that feeling like you're using your thumb to kind of, like flick it. So, but yeah, look, if I click and flick, look at that. Yeah, it's pretty effective actually. I bet it works really good. We'll see though. I'll have to test it on my phone later. Let me close out of the phone. Actually, no, we're going to keep it in the phone mode. So the next thing I need to do today is create images that would go right there. Oh, I can't even highlight it. Okay. Yeah, I need an image right here. And 3 images here. Now I'm thinking for this section, you'll have like a side scroll. So you could like side scroll to the different options. You got the first one, innovative practice. You got the second one, cultural immersion. You got the third one, advanced technologies. So it'll be like 1, 2, 3. I think that's going to be the best bet for that one. This one, I'm thinking of, instead of putting the name at the bottom, just put it at the top with an image, kind of make it look like a profile image, and the name next to it kind of looks like on Twitter or something like that. This section here looks good. Actually, this is one of the ones that I worked on along with this section. Kind of got it set pretty decent. They just got to configure that with JavaScript or whatever. This is pretty straightforward. The thing I'm going to have to work on this one is the flex wrap. But maybe not. And now another thing is, since we started programming this from the view of the phone, after we get done doing each section, I'm going to have to come back and then, you know, do some media queries, because do we just want it, even if it's on fully max wide? Do we only want this small little area? Maybe, maybe not. I'm not sure if it's what I want right now. And kind of looking at the way these are going, I don't think I want it just all skinny like this. There's a lot of space on the page that we can use. So I'm going to have to use flex wrap, so that when it's on the desktop view, we're going to be able to have different sections here. Like we're going to have an image on the left. We'll have this text on the right. And then on the full view, maybe you don't need to scroll left and right. Maybe it just pops them all up. This one's pretty straightforward, but yeah, that's basically the overview of where we're heading today. Now, one thing that can be really fun is creating images. So I'm thinking that might be one thing that we start with today. The first thing is creating the images that we want. And to do that, I go to the notes here. I got, this is going to be an image of this section here. This is about me. He's going to provide me a video here or a picture or something. So we're going to skip that. We're going to go to here. Innovative methods. Now we got keywords here like dynamic, engaging, cultural, advances. We're going to go to bing.com/chat. And here at Copilot, we're going to type in those keywords. Can you make me an image of, let's say, image for a website teaching Brazilian, or teaching people how to speak English, keywords, and then I'm just going to include the keywords here. Oops, I didn't even, what I was going to say. Keywords, boom, let's see what it does. Now, I specifically left it vague because I want to kind of see what Bing wants. Like, what does Bing think? You know, that's going to get me a better idea. Oh, I have to type it again? Okay. Make me an image for my website in the innovative, in a section called innovative practice. Innovative practice. And then the first one was called practical, interactive practice. Sorry. Practice in a section called innovative practice, with a subheading of with the subheading of innovative practice. No, section called innovative methods, with the subheading of what is this? This is tough. The thing is practice I think it's interactive practice. Yeah, interactive. Subheading of interactive practice. Okay, make an image. Okay, and now keywords, and then this is a Brazilian website. Boom. Let's just see what it does. Make me an image for my website, subheading, and then keywords, and then mention that's Brazilian. What are we going to get? Who knows? Only God and Copilot knows. And we're about to learn in 2 seconds. 1 second. Pow. Pow. Come on. Let's. Pow. Come on. Yeah, there it is. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? These are amazing. I couldn't even imagine such profound graphics. Look at that one. Now, I don't like it because of Buddha statue, but we're not going to be trying to worship false gods here. But, wow. Let's try this one. Let's take a look at this one because it has the least amount of words on it. The issue with AI is when they're typing words, it's all jumbled and cultural immersion. See, they keep spelling it wrong. Let's do watercolor, maybe. Pixel art is actually one of my favorite ones next to it, but watercolor ones come out really nice, and I think they remove a lot of the words. I hope. It's kind of the words that the AI uses. Oh, it's almost really good. It's almost really good. All right. I think I'm going to just use Photoshop and edit it that way. Is probably the part about website development most people don't really prepare for, is like photo editing and stuff. They probably just hire somebody else for this, but I do everything, all of it, including graphics. So the graphics are part probably trips a lot of people up, but I'll show you how to make it easy. What am I doing? Oh, downloads, of course. It's in downloads. Okay, drag and drop. Come on. It's a little slow. I'm working on an older computer, so I'm glad I can even stream to you guys. Honestly, it's a blessing. All right, here we go. We got Photoshop. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? We're gonna do File, New. And we gotta think of what size image do we want here. So let's take a look. I'm thinking in my mind, I want a square image. Okay, so we're gonna go to our pre-cuts, and we have an 800 by 800, which is good enough. I'm gonna title it Innovative Practice. I don't know. Did I spell that right? Innovative. Yeah, I did. Okay, switch to the other one. Control A, I mean, and then Control C, Control Tab, and then Control V. Okay, created us a new layer. We're able to plop this in there. Now, some people might want to push Control T to transform this right now. Oops, it didn't work right. Control T, transform, and then hold Shift and drag. They might do something like that, right? It looks fine like that, but you know what? I kind of like it images that are cropped off like this. It feels more full. So we're going to keep it cropped like that. But then the issue is getting this middle part aligned to the center. So we could do Control All and then center it like that, like this. And then just Control D to deselect, drag it down a teensy weensy. That feels good. Okay, we got to change the letters because these AI letters are not going to cut it. So what I'm going to do is create a new layer, duplicate the layer, I should say, duplicate the layer. We're going to select all this and edit fill. Select that color and just, oops. Edit fill. For me, I choose the color, select the color, push OK, push OK. There we go. This one I gotta use a lasso. Okay, edit fill. Oh, somebody's here. I gotta mute.
Ranker.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up, Ranker? I'm smoking.
Well, I'm working on your website. And I'm live streaming right now, too.
Wow, where can I watch it?
YouTube.com/RancorSweetly.
YouTube.com/Ranker.
Now, just make sure you put an @ before Rancor Sweetly, and then you'll be good. All right. We got those letters taken care of. Right now, I'm working on creating graphics since you didn't supply me with any images.
Okay, I'll take picture of me now, but I'm looking like a trash.
A trash can?
Yes, I will give you my pictures, the good picture. Me as my wife. Yeah, look at that. Tisha! Manda as melhores fotos minha. Manda minhas melhores fotos, por favor, pôr no website aqui pra fazer propaganda do meu aluno.
There we go. I just
What?
used the spot healing tool,
Uh,
the healing brush actually, and you just kind of alt click the spot and just fill it in.
swiftly. Sweetly, not swiftly. Oh. Record swiftly. Creating a website for client. English teachers. Yes. Wow.
What?
I wish I had you in my picture in my website.
What are you talking about?
Jesse. Jesse from I'm Jesse from native speaker from 1 second. I'm trying. Don't tell me where you're from. I know Denver.
Yep.
I'm Jesse from Denver, a real American. Pure blood American. Yes, you can write in English. They're supposed to know English if they're practicing.
Well, you gave it to me in Brazil.
Oh, okay.
So I was thinking of, I don't know. I was going to do most of the page. But you're right. Maybe I should do this picture in English. This word, innovative practice. Maybe. We'll see.
The thing is, like after a class, you have to talk with a real Native American. It's like, wow. I don't even need to go to America.
That's right. You could just come right here on TeamSpeak on Sin City.
Yes, or in a Google Meet where they pay you $25 an hour.
That's
Or just
true
for
too.
showed. Yeah, a lot of people in my city they want to go to America, so they want like not only America but Europe, and they even when they are going to Japan, they want to learn English. Can you believe that?
Wow.
English is international language now.
Yeah, that's a good point, dude. That is a very good point.
It's becoming like the word is becoming like one language, and we're not realizing it. I am in a group with my city WhatsApp, like a lot of people in my city in the WhatsApp. We could record a video and say, "Hey, shout out to Itabera City and Gabriel's friend." Oh my God, you'll give me so much.
Wow.
The hotspot. How do you call it? When the light is on you.
Yeah, the spotlight.
Yeah.
What the heck was that noise? Heard a beeping noise. Oh man. Having trouble.
What's wrong?
Lettering is tough.
And down there you could write like, yes, talk to a native. Like, fale com um nativo.
Innovative practice. Was that talk with
Yeah.
natives?
Yeah, talk to a native. To a native, yeah. Oh my god. Then we have to schedule a time with you guys. Eggy helped me. Eggy said that she can talk if it's a girl. Because a lot of girls wanted this in the past with my friends, but they didn't want it to talk because they were men. They were not comfortable talking to men.
Right, right. They want to talk to Americans?
People, yes, people pay for it. They would pay a lot for it, Rancor. You don't know how much. It's crazy.
Should I put American flag in here then?
Yeah. Because here there's a stereotype in Brazil that you can only learn with a native or with an American. They want to speak American, not only English, you know what I mean?
Hmm.
So we are very influenced by the movies and media. So talking to a native is like experience you can only have in America. That's what they think.
Right.
But then you are here in the internet for the whole world. They'll give us money. $25 for you might be like nothing, but for Brazilian money, that's good.
That's good, man. That's a lot of money. You think they'll pay? They're gonna pay that much? You could afford that?
What?
Think they're gonna pay that much? You could afford that?
Yeah, if they really want to talk to an American, because they don't know how. And I know a lot of people. It can be a business. Oi, filho.
Eu fui pra um pulinho, eu quase esmaguei a cabeça do gato.
Então, o gato tá bem? Cadê ele?
Lá fora.
Ele tá machucado?
Não, tô só raspando.
Ah, ok.
Tá ali, lá.
Não chora, Lucas. My son hurt the cat by mistake in his crane.
He heard a cat?
Yeah, in the door.
Oh.
He didn't see the cat. But the cat's okay, but he's sad.
That's funny, dude.
Nossa, que
Filho,
ficou fingindo, tá chorando? Para.
Letícia, pega uma. Olha o site que ele tá fazendo aqui pra mim. Pega uma foto pra mim.
Mas vai ter que divulgar pra federal isso.
Mas é?
Daí você faz aqui tem aula presencial e aula online.
Não, só online.
Deu, online, a turma federal.
O microfone tá aberto.
Federal, turma presencial.
Tá bom, ok. É, mas não é só pergunta beirada, Letícia. Qualquer um, entendeu? É muito mais.
Ele tá fazendo isso daí?
Aham.
O que essa mulher ali tá estranha? Olha lá, quem voltou? Quem voltou? Ah, eu não aguento.
Uai. environment down.
Navtiv. How did dude, what is wrong with my brain today? I spelled navtiv. There we go. I was like, something's not right there. All right.
Talk to
I
native.
need one more word. Keywords. All right.
You want me keywords?
You ready to see what I got for you so far?
Yeah.
Where did it go? Okay. I'm gonna show you. I've been designing this for mobile to start, so we're gonna look what it's like from a mobile device. You'll be able to see in just a moment. All right, so at the top, you got the title. There's gonna be a logo at top left, and then when you scroll, it actually like snaps to each section. You'll be able to see what I'm talking about in just a sec, but it scrolls through all these different sections that are gonna have images eventually.
Nice, bro.
So we just have the bare bones so far, but it's coming along. It's coming along quite nicely.
Yeah. If that's going, that's good.
Thanks, man.
We have to change. I have to change a little bit. That is kind of weird. I said with a mystery. I don't know why I mentioned mystery. I have to change later.
Yeah, we'll be able
Can
to
you give me
change.
access to edit
Um,
the letters? I mean the words.
I can edit it for you.
Later. We'll do it later.
Yeah.
That's going nice. And what about this woman dancing?
Yeah, I don't know. I didn't make it, dude. The AI made this, so I'm just going with it.
It made it by the word by the things I wrote.
Pretty much. I just said like,
Yeah, but that's okay. That's nice. I just wondering.
where's my chat? What? I had a chat open and now it's gone. But yeah, I don't know. I just put in some keywords like dynamic, engaging, cultural immersion, whatever, and
Oh, that's nice.
said it's for a website, and they just kind of went along for the ride. But now I need one more word, and I'm just like, the image is gonna go right under this part here. Maybe I need this word.
That's interactive. Interactive practices. Not teach in online teaching. That could be call, like a call screen. You should put my picture and your picture together, you know, like in your website, bro.
Yeah, okay.
Put our names, introduce ourselves.
Okay, I think this is going to be it for the image right now.
Great. Nobody arguing your top. Nice, bro. You are the star, man. There's a star, man, waiting on this. Is it about Jesus?
The guy who wrote that song is not a Jesus worshiper. Oh, your dog. What happened to your dog? I just heard him cry a little bit. I think you need to whip your dog and tell him to shut up.
Sorry.
He shouldn't be barking for no reason. Bow, 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 bow. I'm drinking a little bit of coffee. Yum. I drink it black with a little bit of water. I actually dilute it down with water.
No sugar?
No sugar, no cream.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Just dilute it with water, that's it. It's pretty good like that. Okay. So I got the image downloaded. Now no. I gotta go to my code folder. Websites. Gotta go to my image folder. Gotta rename this to right here. Image source. It's gonna be innovative practice.webp, and then we just need the img/ there. All right, that's what we're gonna call it. Just gotta rename it. Gonna drag it in. Okay. It's gonna load. It's gonna load it. Save it. Pow, just like that. Now we just need to style it. So the class is going to be called innovative. Go to the end. Okay, contact. It's before contact, it's after hero, so we're going to go, here go, innovative, like that. Then we're going to go image. Then we're going to go width 100%. Let's just do what the AI is telling us to do. Yeah, like that. Now I like to have a rounded edge.
Wow, man, how do you know all this?
It's not a lot, really. It's not a lot to know. It's just having the idea in the head and then bringing it to life. Well, that comes from practice. Innovative practice. Now I'm thinking,
Perfect.
I'm thinking this text needs to be above the image. Right below the heading, right above the image. Let's see how that looks. And then I think what we're going to do is center the text. That did not center that. Oh, because I spelled that wrong. It's called text align. There we go. This text is centered. Looks pretty good. But maybe the image is... No, that's good. Now I gotta make another image. That was all the work it took for creating one image. Now I gotta do it again. So make me an image for my website called Gabriel Gringo Talk. For a section called, I think it's innovative methods with a subheading of, this is a word I don't know. I gotta bring up my notes.
Cultural immersion.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. I should know. Cultural immersion. Keywords.
Keywords.
Oh, you wrote me that one little bit of text that I'll use for copy paste.
Real conversation. Real talk.
Real talk. Real conversation. Okay, let's see what they do. Oh, I forgot to mention it's for Brazil. I like to do that. Dude, one time they made this mountain with a Buddha on top with all this like river flowing down. It looked crazy. It's like, whoa. Alright. This is just what they're creating. Gringo talk, innovative methods, cultural immersion. Oh my. This is not really what we're going for.
What? They think I'm crazy because they already think I'm kind of.
These are a little. We're getting there.
It's like image for online classes advertisement.
Yeah. Online
Wow,
class.
it went crazy. It went full DMT, bro. It's like on shroom styles.
Okay, let's see if this helps. Oh no, it just said the same thing. I gotta
No, you said it different.
make an image for cultural immersion for an online class advertisement. Yeah, that's good. Let's try this.
For Brazil, I don't know. Brazilian dumb people.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe if I include Brazil and America. For
Monkey people.
Brazilians to learn American English. Let's see what they get now.
Oh, it's becoming better. Going somewhere.
Oh, no. No. Create an image. Stop doing this.
It happens. Tell them like, okay, now make a picture. Now make a picture from all of everything you said.
Yeah.
Sometimes I do this.
That does not look American. None of these look American.
Yeah, it looks like Japanese, Indian.
Like, whoa, culture. All right. Make an image for online class advertisement for Brazilians learning American English.
With American symbols elements. Then will be nice. Then will be like the Liberty Statue.
Okay, yeah, now we'll see. What? It's telling me I can't to move on from this. I don't want to.
What? It's what?
Oh, let's go.
Politics
Bing.
involved. It's politics involved, man.
Make an image for online class advertising for Brazilians learning American English with American culture. Come on. There we go.
America.
You really got to force the AI, don't you? With a gun.
Yeah. AI is so useful.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, look how racist this one is. It feels a little racist. They have a guy with green with a red freaking
Why a Mexican
bandera.
hat? Why a Mexican hat, bro? This is
with
so
a beer.
stereotypical.
With a beer.
but I don't understand why he's green and Mexican. Like,
He's,
that's
oh,
racist.
welcome to Brazil. We're basically green Mexicans.
Oh man,
That
this
is
AI, come
funny.
on, man.
Which one do you like the most? I think the bottom left. Which one do you like?
Yeah, the bottom left is okay.
Okay. We're going to take this.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe the I don't know. The old guy too is not bad.
Not bad, not bad. What we're going to do is do the watercolor theme. We're going to just kind of stick with the watercolor themes for this website
Alright.
for now and see where we can go. We can always recreate these images, but we just kind of need a base design right now.
You know you can sell your AI pictures to websites?
This looks good.
Looks like Willy Wonka from that factory.
Oh my goodness, Willy Wonky. Okay. I don't have to edit this one, so that's nice. We just go to PNG. Okay, convert PNG to WebP. And let's convert. Download. Now transfer it to our website file. Rename it to cultural immersion. I don't even know how to spell immersion, dude. Immersion.
Immersion.
I think it's like this. Okay.
Hey, whatever.
Immersion. There we go. And then go to the HTML. Type it in here. Okay, let's check out the web page. Okay. Let's reorder this. Okay. It's looking good. It's getting there.
Yeah.
I know it's a little scrambled here, but it's because, see, my idea for this part is we're going to have a horizontal scrolling. So we're going to scroll from left to right to kind of go through all these different pictures instead of it just being like all in a line.
Yeah, it's just a structure is
The last one's called Advanced Technologies. Let's do it. Let's do it.
I think I would pay like some advertisement on Facebook for it. Gonna be good.
Have you used Facebook advertising?
Yeah. A little bit. My friend is better in it.
Which one do you like? The top right? Maybe?
Right?
Maybe top left? Which one do you think? You see these images?
What about the top? What about the bottom? Bottom right. Let me see.
Alright, let me
Can't
move
see.
my
Oh,
head. Hold on. Give it a second.
okay.
There, you can see it.
I think the bottom right is cooler.
Okay. We're going to go with that one. We're going to click on the watercolor design. We're going to get this thing going. How did it change so much? I like it though. I like it. Okay.
Not bad.
I'm going to download
Application.
this. I got to do a little bit editing with Photoshop.
I don't know why they keep putting hats.
We're going to do this. This one's called Advanced Technologies. Okay. We're gonna drag in that picture we just made. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Chega, Lucas.
Control Alt, copy, Control Tab, Control Tab, Control Tab, Control V, line it up, Control T, Alt scroll, hold Shift and drag. Yeah. And then look at they they have the Big Ben Tower, dude. That's in London. That's funny. All right.
It's alright. It's English anyway.
We need to change this.
The London. Learn. Gonna get something.
Understood. Oops. Yeah, that looks fine. Okay, I do not like that right here. That needs to be edited for sure, for sure. I'm gonna grab this, all of that, all of it, all of it. Edit, fill, select that color, boom. Oh, no, whoa, 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 whoa. Edit, fill, with the color. What color? That color. There. Deselect. We got a blender in, blender. Just a few clicks. And now let's fade it in with the light. Oh, shoot. Oh, my dog's howling in his sleep. So cute. Okay. Take a star. This one. Maybe we're gonna duplicate it. Check it out. Looks good enough. Now we just gotta blend it. Bring out our blending tool one more time. Oh, fix that. Nope, nope, nope. Nope, nope, nope. A little bit smaller. Just gotta blend it. Maybe if I do a spot healing tool, see how that works. No, that doesn't work. I like the healing brush. Heal, heal, heal. Okay. The hardest parts are like right up in here. Whatever. It looks a little bit like it's not smooth. Nope. Nope. Ah, this is tough. This is tough. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Hmm. It's not too easy. Patch tool. Let's try the patch tool. Fine. Fine. Oh. Let's try it like this. Fine. Fine. Oh, yeah, that's working really good. Fine. Fine. I don't like that. Come on. Look, we got a dark spot. Let's lighten it up, right? Medium blue spot. Let's lighten it up. Okay. Dope. This is getting messed up. Let's try something like this. Oh, that worked. That didn't. Okay, now I'm just going to use a brush because I'm sick of these stupid tools. I'm going to lower the opacity a little and then a little bit more fine-tuned brush. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Good enough. I accept. Okay. Okay, those eyes are freaky, dude. Look at those demonic eyes. Oof. Dude, I don't think I can fix that. Oh, that's scary. All right. Okay, I got the file. Now I gotta convert it. And then we just gotta transfer it. Oops. Oh, download. There we go. Just rename it. Advanced Technologies.webp. Great, great, and great. So now what we're going to do, we're going to ask ChatGPT. We're going to tell them, like, hey, we created a section with a list. We created a section called class is called innovative, where there is a list that where each item has a heading, subtext, and an image. How would I make it so that I can scroll horizontally to view each list item? Oh, I think this is gonna work good. Okay. Let's try this. We're gonna have an overflow of X be auto. Okay, I don't know why that popped up. Whoops, that was an accident. Overflow of an X be auto. That enables the horizontal scrolling, it says. Then white space, no wrap. Prevents wrapping of list items. Padding 10px. And then it's suggesting we need a scroll container. So now we gotta create that. Div scroll container. Okay, we're gonna throw the list inside of there. Just like so. Okay, it's looking good. This looks good. Let's give it a view. Okay, so now it's scrolling like this, okay, but that's not what we want. Let's continue to add what it's suggesting here. I'm going to ignore that for now. Okay, list item. Prevents list items from shrinking. Really? So it's suggesting that I... You know what? I didn't... Yeah, never mind. Oh, shit. Okay, you know, I just thought of something. I'm going to take out the div. And that div I just created, I'm just going to use... this UL, innovative list. We're going to do it like that. Innovative list. Like this. And so that's that, and then we have each list item is going to be like a flex of 0, 0 auto, margin right of 20, 10px, we're just going to keep it at 10, width 200 box, sizing, I don't know what this does, border box, it says includes padding and border in the element's total width and height. I'm not sure what that means. H2P. Put that in there, put that in there. We have the H2, the P, and the IMG all display block. Okay. I don't think I need to do that. Maybe I do, maybe I do. Display block. Display block. And H2. Display block. Actually, I think there might be an H3, not an H2. Yeah, H3. Okay. Let's see what we're working with here. Okay, it's getting there. It's getting there. Okay. That is not working. Alright, I'm asking how to do the snap scroll. So you're like overflow, scroll snap type, X mandatory, got it. Oh, forgot. That's what. Each item needs to have the snap at the start. That's what I was missing. Let's try it out. Okay, now it's working. Let's go with before hundo. Okay, that's ruining it. Oh, wait. What? Not a huge fan. Not a fan. Not a fan. Let's just do 350. I think that's the problem. We're given different widths here. Let's have a set height here. Oh no. Okay, all the pictures are coming up in the same spot now. We just need to reduce this height to, let's say, 100. Let's see how that works. Yeah, this looks way better. maybe 80. Let's check out 80. Let's check out like 20 view height. Let's do 10. Okay. How do I go about making the bubbles at the bottom which show there are multiple across to scroll? Let's hope it understands what I'm asking. Gotta use JavaScript. Pagination, that's what it's called. Pagination. I was trying to see if I could do this without JavaScript, so I'm not going to do that yet. It's a good idea, but I'm not going to do it yet. Gotta keep editing this section. It looks kind of good because you can tell you need to scroll to the side, but the problem is this one's cut off, but it kind of works. Alright, maybe I'll ask how to make an arrow to click or scroll horizontally through the list. More JavaScript, of course. Hi, kitty. Hi, Shishimi. Well, right arrow. Maybe should I just try it out? Here we go. We're just gonna try it out. Okay, we got the pagination and the right arrow. We'll need some CSS. take that out. Take these out. Put it in here. Yeah, overflow X is auto. X mandatory touch. Scroll behavior is smooth, doesn't really matter. Let's put it in for fun. Take this out. Go down to the list item. Okay. Now we add the arrow. Border none. Wonder how this is gonna look. I have an idea in my head of how it's gonna look. I don't know what that is. User select none. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna just copy and paste all the rest. Save a little bit of time. I like to type it so I can go through each one and understand it, but whatever. It's not what we are doing right now. So, oh, that's another thing that's bad about pasting. Okay, move it all up, move it all up, and over, move it over. Okay, we're gonna take a look. I don't see the arrow. I don't see an arrow. Did I do something wrong? Arrow, right arrow. Got left arrow. What? Oh, I bet it changes. Okay, let's just do the JavaScript. We're gonna just select all this and put it into, we need a new folder called scripts. And here we're gonna have script.js on our main file. We actually gotta link it. So right after the style sheet, we have scripts. Oh, I know how to do this to have the AI help. You go like this, we go JavaScript. Boom, just like that. And the source is in script/j there, just like that. Plam. Let's check it out. Okay, let's plop it in here. Okay. Now where's that arrow? Huh? That's the arrow. I see it. Ah, that's why. Okay. Okay, okay. I missed this one. So I have it be right about here. So it should be a left arrow, scroll container, and right arrow, pagination. Got that. Think. Something else isn't right here, so we're gonna check the CSS. Let's go through. Got that. Where's the arrow? Okay, arrow. The arrow is showing. So that's good. Left, right. Okay, maybe it has to do with so that and that are all display block. Okay. This image max. Okay, yeah. I don't see the pagination. I see an arrow at the top. It's not clickable. Okay. Yeah, these are the reasons why I was like, yeah, we probably shouldn't do the JavaScript yet. But I kind of wanted to test it out, you know, see if I could just that quickly implement it, but nah, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. I can't tell exactly where the issue is, but for right now, we're going to have to take that out. So let's take this out. Take this out. I'm going to go to style. I'm going to go to arrow, left arrow, right arrow, pagination bubble, all that gone. We have to maybe readjust some of this stuff. I like that there's a scroll bar here now. That's really good. Yeah, I like it. I like it because before is the whole section, and so it like put the scroll bar at the bottom real tiny. Now we got this. Now I'm gonna ask ChatGPT how to style the horizontal scroll bar. Oh, I gotta also mention, I decided not to implement this yet. For some reason, this code isn't working properly. How to style a horizontal scroll bar. Let's look. Okay. Really? Oh, here we go. Scroll container. That's going to be my unordered list. Innovative list. Okay, right here. We're going to have scroll width be thin. Scroll bar width thin. Oops, this thin. All right, let's check that out. Okay, that looks way better already. You can change the color, but I don't want to do that. Okay, I think that's all I really wanted. Let's check it out on the phone version. It doesn't even show a scroll bar. The width is too big. Let's change the width to 300. Okay, that looks better. Very good. Very good. All right, I'm going to take a break from that, but we did a nice little bit here, adding the side scroller. We're going to be adding some more images here later today, so I'm not sure exactly when I'm going to do that, but we made some progress. Thanks for checking it out.
Yeah, beautiful, bro.
I got